My name is Tom Whipple and I am the science editor at The Times. At The Times and Sunday Times Scotland Life Sciences Summit, we will be hearing from some of the investors, scientists and entrepreneurs involved in this thriving sector about why it is so crucial for the economy not just of North East Scotland, but of the UK in general. Ahead of that summit, we look forward to having a sneak peek from some of those experts about what it is we're going to learn about the future of life sciences in Scotland.
Life sciences is a very important sector for Innovate UK. There's so much going on in that scene and so many successes for the UK over the years. If you look at areas like engineering biology, AI and data, advanced therapies, there's so many activities going on right now, and so it's so good to be able to celebrate this at this conference.
We've seen enormous change in the sector over the past 10 years. We've seen growing levels of investment, over 1,000% increase in investment. A lot of that's coming from American investors who are coming over here to recognising our science. And actually that's driving more entrepreneurial behaviours amongst our academics as well, who are keen to spin out companies.
There are places in the world that are moving ahead. So how far are we moving, navigating policy for that? Knowledge, learning and sharing is a key agenda.
Challenges that remain in terms of funding and the ability to take the fantastic technology that the industry's proven it can deliver to solve global health challenges.
Financing risk is something that companies really need to think about. Biotech companies in particular consume a fair amount of cash. We spend a lot of time looking at scenario planning. So for example, if things take longer and if they cost more, what are some mitigating actions that we can take? I think what we're expecting to see in the next year or so is that M&A may be picking up because there's quite a few pharma companies that have substantial amounts of capital available to invest, and they still do need early stage assets. So in terms of commercial activities and opportunities, that is still a very, very strong model. Therapeutic areas, we're expecting to see more interest specifically in neurodegeneration and CNS.
As companies that are working at the cutting edge of innovations, their products can solve multiple challenges, be it in antimicrobial resistance or cancer diagnostics or drug therapies, but they are looking for developing the pathway of collaborators to work alongside, but they are also looking funders and investors, and there are policy people.
So that means making sure they've got the investment, access to global skills, and also the lab space that they need to grow as they scale.
The Scottish scene is a very vibrant scene for technology. It's got some great startups, some great businesses, some great universities.
You need to build relationships and networks, and events like this will be helpful for that.
This event being hopefully a regular feature on the calendar for life sciences in the future as well.